here's a mechanism that I have created. You've got the the lever, you have your split pin pivot, this is the cover, and this is the picture that's moving. Okay, so whenever you create something, it's really important to look at it and just think, how can I improve it? Okay, so when I'm looking at this, one of the things that I think is actually the neck of my character is probably a bit longer than I wanted it to be. You can see I've already experimented, so there's a slight hole in here. I've already experimented with moving the split pin pivot, so this is a point that it's pivoting on. What I want to do, I'll keep the point that it's pivoting around, but what I want to do is bring the head further down. So look at what I do. Now, I don't know if this is going to improve it, but I'm hoping it will do. So let's make a hole a bit higher up on my lever. Push it through using the blue tack and a sharp pencil. And then get the ends of the split pin, squeeze them together, ends of the split pin to go through. And let's see, so whenever you make a change to your design, it will maybe improve it. You might not like it as much, so there you go. So you can see it's changed the total feel of the picture. So you might decide you actually wanted the neck to be a bit longer. So because we've made it out of paper, this is a good way of, yeah, you can decide whether you like it or not. You might say, actually, I'm going to move the head further up. So whenever you, in fact, let's try that one. So whenever you create something, it's really important to evaluate it and just decide. You can see this is the 4th place that I am trying. And let's have a look. So let's pop it through here. So again, I've changed something about it, and there you go. Wonder if that looks slightly better. Now, I've made it out of paper. This is my prototype. Now, when I'm happy with it, I would then go and make it in card.